the breakage, the dullness, the lifting of the cuticles. We don't want it. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of Curly Chemistry. We'll help you guys understand your hair and ingredients from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I'll also help you guys start hair care lines as well. And today I am sharing 5 winter-proof natural hair hacks. And this can be applied to relaxed hair as well, okay? Winter is approaching, the coldness is coming, the breakage, the dullness, the lifting of the cuticles. We don't want it. So with these tips, when winter come knocking, you'll be like, no thank you, block. Stay tuned. Okay, the first hack slash tip is going to be going from liquids to creams. Now, when we are developing hair care products for you guys, liquid products are going to contain at least 70, 80, and sometimes 90% of water and a low amount of oils and butters. Now, depending on your hair, this is great, right? But for the colder weather, sometimes we need something a little bit more substantive. And this is where creams come into play, because even though cream formulations have a nice amount of water still, they also have a nice amount of oils and butters and fatty alcohols. And this combination does a great job at locking in moisture and supporting moisture retention within the hair itself. Now, you can switch over from a liquid leave-in to a cream leave-in, a liquid moisturizer to a cream moisturizer, or take your current creamy products and go for like a buttery, heavy consistency like product. Whatever you want to do. Increasing the viscosity of your product, or just, buying a product that has a higher viscosity, especially during the winter months, is going to help tremendously with locking in that moisture and avoiding breakage and dryness. Okay, the second hack slash tip is going to be changing your sealant. You may have to change your sealant in the winter time. Now, hear me out. You guys know that moisturizing our hair is a 2-step process, right? We moisturize with a cream, water-based product, and then we follow up with a sealant. Now, even though I said there's oils and butters and fatty alcohols within your moisturizer that do help to support moisture retention, a lot of times that's not enough. So that's why we have to follow up with an oil on top of that. Sealants are important because, once again, they lock in moisture and they don't prevent moisture from getting into the hair. They just help whatever's inside the cuticle to stay in the cuticle. Now, changing your sealants, okay? When I say changing your sealant, meaning you may want to increase the viscosity of your sealant. So let's say you have a lightweight oil like grapeseed or jojoba or sweet almond, you may want to change it to avocado for the winter months. If you currently have an avocado or sunflower oil, you may want to go to a castor oil or hair grease, something more substantive, something more heavy to really help to smooth the cuticles, but really to lock in that moisture. So at the end of the day, choose the one that works best for you. I'm typically a grapeseed girl, but I think for winter, I'm going to switch over back to hair grease or avocado oil. So yeah, that's my plan. Okay, now the third hack slash tip is going to be steam treatments. I think steam treatments are such an underrated technique slash tool in the natural hair care community. If you are a person who suffers from severely dry hair consistently, you definitely want to invest in a steamer. Now, let's talk about the whole steam technology and what it does. Now, with steam, you're getting 2 great things. You're getting heat and you're getting water. When you have that combination, that heat helps to slightly open the cuticle, not too much, but just enough for that water, that moisture to go deep within the hair and giving the hair a huge moisture boost. Now, if you don't want to invest in a steamer right now, then you can always do a steam treatment in the shower. Take advantage of the steam within the shower, like put some type of leave-in conditioner or a conditioner on your hair and have that on in the shower cap. And you can even poke holes, I know this sounds crazy, but poke holes in the shower cap so that steam can get inside the hair, and it's going to create a really cool greenhouse environment. So definitely try that out. I literally just came up with that just now. But yeah, try it, let me know how it works. But yeah, steam treatments are the way to go. I had a great steamer. I gave mine away a few years ago. I low-key regret it, so I have to find a new one. So if anyone has any recommendations, please comment below, let me know what you guys recommend. But steam treatments are a great way to get some extreme moisturization into your hair to avoid breakage and dryness. Okay, now the fourth hair hack slash tip is going to be deep condition your hair with every wash. Okay? Every wash. Deep condition your hair. If you wash your hair once a week, once every 2 weeks, whatever it is, do a deep conditioner every wash, because that is going to transform your hair. It's going to give so much nutrients and conditioning and moisturization and smoothness and softness to your hair, and it's really going to be a great partner to your hair, especially in the winter months, because deep conditioners tend to have a high amount of cationic surfactants, which is great for conditioning the hair, smoothing the cuticle so that your hair can lock in more moisture. On top of that, deep conditioners will contain a higher amount of cetyl alcohol, those fatty alcohols we just talked about, butters and oils, which we all know are great for supporting healthy hair in general. So we do want to lean more on deep conditioning, especially during the winter months. Now I am preparing to do a video on high quality hair masks that I recommend, so stay tuned for that. But the ones I'm currently loving are the Devonese new hair mask. I'll post a picture of it up here, but I absolutely love this hair mask. It does all of the things. Another great one, of course, is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Mask. And you can't beat a DIY mask, like a little bit of avocado, honey, olive oil. But either way, you guys have a lot of options. So definitely try to up your deep conditioner, especially in the winter months, to give your hair some extra TLC. Okay, the last hair hack slash tip is going to be definitely take a hair supplement during the winter months. Now, it's good that we tackle healthy hair care from the external, but we also want to tackle it internally as well. So get on a really good hair vitamin that has vitamin D and biotin and B12 and vitamin A. All of these nutrients are needed for healthy growing hair. I'm currently taking a brand called Pure Encapsulated Hair Nails Ultra. It's like a white and blue bottle. I will post the link below. I just started taking it, so I haven't seen results yet, but I do like the formula itself. Another good brand that I just discovered is called Shadavi, which is a Black-owned brand, so definitely check her vitamins out as well. And of course, there's always Hair Affinity, and there's also Nutrafol as well. So once again, you guys have plenty of options to choose from, and whatever ones you choose, definitely make sure you incorporate a hair vitamin in your hair care regimen this season. Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you like this video, please be sure to like this video, and for more curly chemistry content, be sure to subscribe to this channel and make sure notifications are on to stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content. And of course, I have a question for you. I actually have 3 questions for you guys this week, and you don't have to answer all of them, but like try to answer at least one, because I want to learn from you guys, because you know, okay, I'm a teacher, but I'm also a student as well. So the first question is, do you have a steam treatment, steam tool, a steam hair tool that you would recommend? Because I'm literally like for real looking for one, like for real. So comment below if you know one that you like. Let us all know, so please comment below. The second question is, what is your absolute favorite hair mask slash deep conditioner? Comment below and let us know what that product is. And my third question is, are you currently using a hair vitamin that you are seeing results with and you absolutely love? If so, comment below letting us know what is your favorite hair care vitamin. Okay, I got 3 questions. Thank you guys in advance for answering. I cannot wait to join the conversation. as well with you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, if you're interested in learning about ingredients in your hair from a cosmetic chemist perspective, definitely check out the Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients and the Natural Hair Care Wisdom flashcards. I have a promo code and a link below for you as well. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, no matter where you are in the world, you can work with me one-on-one, and I have a link below for you as well. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.